Guys, it's AMGs of NYC here. We're at the Cars and Coffee event. I'm here with my car. Let me walk around and show you some of the cool cars we have here. Hey, you have too much energy.
Yo, Patrick. Yo.
Where's your car? Guys, we have some classics over here. We got the SLS AMG.
I'm just gonna pull it out. Go sooner or later.
Let's check out some of the exotics over here. Look here. He's taking a picture. Got a nice X3M over here. Check it out. We're just walking around the show, guys, checking out some of the cars, saying hi to everyone. Alright guys, there's one of my favorite cars here. Check it out.
What is it? 60 change? It's about 800 total. The other one's 1,000.
This car is absolutely stunning. Check out that steering wheel. Holy shit. So guys, we do this event once a year. It's at Mercedes Benz of Huntington, Cars and Coffee. If you missed it, you definitely missed a great event. So you know I'm into the AMGs, but we gotta appreciate all cars. Appreciate all the builds that are here. A lot of time, effort, and money went into it, so I give all you guys props. Alright guys, another one of my favorite cars here. It's the SLS AMG Black Series. Check it out. There's my car right behind it. Guys, let's go check out some of the Black Series that my buddies brought here.
That's at your 75.
Check it out, guys. SL65 Black Series. Guess what? CLK 63 Black Series. You don't see these cars every day. Not at all. crazy. We literally have no more parking spots. We have a good mix of cars here. We got AMGs, M cars, American cars, classic cars, you name it. Great turnout. I'm so glad everyone came out. Let's keep showing you guys some cars, man. Let's check out my buddy Denison's McLaren. I don't know where he is, but let's check it out.
It's a beautiful 570 GT. White.
But I was sitting in the car every weekend, and that's
It's insane right now. There's so much smoke all over it.
Crazy. It's crazy.
There's so many cars, guys. I don't know where to start, where to end, but again, we're here at Mercedes Benz of Huntington. Great event. I want to thank everyone for coming out. We're gonna do this once per year. If you miss this event, you've got to check it out next year. Check me out on Instagram, AMG NYC. Check me out on TikTok, AMG NYC. You already know. Follow the YouTube. Subscribe. Just show support, guys. I do this for you.